Hello and good morning. Joe Justice here, coming to you live on December 13th, 2022. We are well into the month of December. Hope everyone is having a great holiday season. I hope you are finding the opportunities to celebrate your holidays with the friends and family, people that are close to you. We are getting closer and closer to the end of the month, almost halfway through. It is a hectic time. Hopefully, some of the information we share with you here today will help you plan for your next year starting in 2023 and taking advantage of some of the technology that's out there and available to you. So, yesterday, when I was talking to you, I brought to you the attention of Microsoft's basic video training website, which is a great resource. If you're not familiar, I've put the link in the comments. There, you have all kinds of training videos that'll kind of walk you through kind of the basic structure of Microsoft 365 and what's available to you. So what I thought we would do today is go through some of these training videos. We're going to start with the getting started videos. So let's pop those up. We're going to walk through these videos and I'm going to add a little bit of context to them as we go through them and see if I can help you understand Microsoft 365 a little bit better today. So first of all, let's start out with understanding what is Microsoft 365.
With Microsoft 365, you get the newest version of Office 365, Windows 10, and best-in-class security. Microsoft Teams lets your team stay organized and have conversations all in one place. Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint help you and your team be creative and work together. Securely save your files in the cloud with OneDrive so you can get to them from anywhere. You can store any type of file, including images, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Then share and work in real time with your coworkers, no matter if you're in the office or on the go. Keep organized and connected with the mobile apps on your devices. And stay productive from any browser with Office for the web. Work and collaborate from anywhere and on any device with Microsoft 365.
Now, of course, the big thing behind that video, the big takeaway from that is the simple idea that you can work anywhere and do anything in Microsoft 365. You've got the web apps, you've got the mobile apps, you've got the desktop apps. You can put all your files in the cloud. Everything's available to you on that subscription model. So it is a killer solution to all of your collaboration needs. Killer collaboration platform, and that's really its secret weapon. Let's take a look at our next video here. The next video here is on getting started with Office.com.
Office.com is the best place to start your day, get back to work, or create something new. To get started, go to Office.com and sign in. At the top, Recommended highlights content with recent activity that is important to you, like upcoming meetings, at mentions, or edits. Quick Access shows files with recent activity. View content as a list or grid, and with different filters, such as recently opened, shared, and favorites. Personalize the view by adding your own custom filter. My Content shows all your content across file types and storage locations in one place. Choose one of the filters or find a file by typing part of the document name into Filter by Keyword. Select Filter to open a robust set of options, including file type, activity, and time. Right-click or select the three dots next to the file to choose actions like Open or Share. Depending on the file type, you may see options like Convert to PDF and more. Want to create a new file? From the left-hand menu, select Create. Choose one of the options to immediately get started, or use one of the available templates. New content is automatically saved to your OneDrive, making it easy to share and collaborate with others. You can directly open Microsoft 365 apps such as Word from the left-hand menu or by selecting the App Launcher. Can't find what you're looking for? The search bar at the top helps you find content from across your entire organization.
So that video right there gives you an idea of all of the possibilities with Microsoft 365. With Microsoft 365, Office.com is kind of your dashboard to be able to access all of your cloud files, all of your company's updates and app mentions and conversations, everything that you want to get your hands on, everything that you need to interact with your company, to collaborate with your colleagues. All of that's available at Office.com. That's the place where you want to get started once you have your subscription and you have your company set up, is Office.com. So what do we have next to go over? Let's take a look at the final training video here on the Getting Started Guide and take a look at what's available here with Microsoft 365. On this one, we're going to delve into working where you want and seeing some of the flexibility that's available with Microsoft 365.
With your files saved in the cloud, Microsoft 365 gives you the flexibility to work how you want, whether that's in the web, on your desktop, or even in Teams. Office.com is a great place to start or get back to work from any device. It's simple to get the apps you use most, find your most recently used files, or create new documents. When you create a new document, it's automatically stored to your OneDrive, so it's simple to share and start collaborating. If you want to stay on the desktop, OneDrive is built right into Windows, and it's easy to install on a Mac. Your files show up in File Explorer, making it simple to find and open files. They also sync automatically to the cloud, so you always have the latest version. In the apps, collaborate with others in real time. See changes as they're made. Add comments. And mention others. Changes are saved automatically, so you're always working on the latest version. If you're working in Teams, you can open files right inside Teams, so you stay in the flow. Add comments, make changes, and see others working in real time. On the go, use the Office mobile app to make quick edits and keep collaborating. Microsoft 365, the flexibility you need to stay productive, however you want to work.
So that right there gives you an idea of all the flexibility that's available to you in Microsoft 365. Just by going to Office.com, you can create files, you can share files, you can interact directly with your documents on OneDrive. And we're talking documents like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of those file types you can work with, the kind of day-to-day work that you would typically do with your colleagues. But what extra flexibility What extra flexibility you have with Microsoft 365 is the simple ability to be able to collaborate with your colleagues. You can work in Teams, you can work on Office.com, you can work on OneDrive. All of these platforms are available both in the cloud, through a web browser, or on your mobile app, or on your desktop. Any of them is available for you to open, interact with, and in real time, your colleagues can work with you. One of the coolest features for collaboration was demoed there, where your colleagues will show up as a little flag. So say, for example, if you're working with Microsoft Word, you can be working on a document, your colleague can be working on that same document a little later on, and you can see little things that they're typing in as a little flag. They can also add comments, if they see a section, they're not sure about, or, hey, do you have a reference for this that we could link to, or something like that. You can mention them in the comment, and it'll send them a notification, and you can interact with them this way so that you're not just working alone, and at that same time, you don't have to be sitting in a meeting together, which is kind of the killer of productivity. So you can work on that at your own time. You can work on it at home. You can work on it on the beach. You can work on it in the office, no matter what, with the ability to work in real time, no matter where you're at, using the cloud. And it is a killer feature of Microsoft 365. Go ahead, if you don't have Microsoft 365, get it and get it for your customers and start collaborating today. Get it for your team and collaborate and try sharing some files, try working together, and you will find that it's killer for that type of work and you'll really enjoy it. Tomorrow we'll touch a little bit more on some of these training videos and take a little bit more of a deep dive into understanding all of the features available in Microsoft 365. Be sure to check it out. Like, share, subscribe if you found this helpful today, and be sure to help us share the information with other people in the business community. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.